Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Sign into your Zoom account on another device and copy the meeting link, then dock the switch and connect it to the same Wi-Fi. Once done, access the switch's hidden web portal by forcing a captive portal, open the Nintendo eShop, or open an online friend request link to trigger the system browser. This gives you a basic browsing surface to paste the Zoom meeting URL and attempt the web client. Make sure your meeting supports web joins. Now paste the copied Zoom meeting link into the browser address bar and load the page. Nintendo's browser is limited, so select the Join from your browser option if Zoom presents it. You may need to switch to desktop mode or reload several times to get the web client to appear. Once loaded, grant microphone or camera access only if the browser asks, and test audio. Keep in mind, many features like virtual backgrounds or gallery view may not work correctly on this. Finish by stabilizing audio. Plug a wired headset into the TV or use the switch's paired Bluetooth audio if available, and confirm you can hear and speak. If the web client won't connect, join the same meeting on your phone or computer and use the TV as a display instead. Mirror or cast when possible. If things go wrong, restart the switch and router to clear caches. That usually resolves captive portal or browser loading errors and lets you retry the web join.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.